Hi everybody, this is Joe with the Book Bundler. This is going to be a new thing we're doing with our products. We'd like to kind of give everyone an idea of what's going in our bags. So today we're going to do illustrated paperbacks. Now we actually have two grades of these. We have the large and we have the toddler preschool. These are a little bit smaller, the words are a little bit simpler. So without wasting too much time, let's kind of jump right in. I just pulled these right off the line, so to kind of give you guys an example of what goes in these things and the kinds of conditions you get. Now these are the very good ones, very good condition books, so most of these will be like new or very good. Like we got Peeper, it's a Robert Munsch. On our very goods, if the books have CDs and stuff, they will be included. Beaters typically will not. Good Night Moon, Pet Show, Snow White, and you can see that generally the toddler preschools are the smaller books. They're easier, less words, for younger children. Tale of Peter Rabbit, Snowy Day. And then on the large ones, we've got these will range. You'll get both preschool and you'll get stuff for all the way up to about first, maybe even second grade, some of the more older kids type paperbacks. And they should all be in great condition too. Click Clack Boom, 12 Dancing Princesses. Oh, that's a great one. Don't Let Pigeon. And looks like the lines are working good. These are all in great condition. I'm not seeing anything that would really be, something that you wouldn't want. It's actually shocking that most of these are even considered used. Come on, Rain. Sometimes you'll get something. The general rule for our very good grades is that they can have one thing wrong with them, like a crease maybe, or a name, or. And if, again though, we have a replacement guarantee, so if you do get anything that just doesn't meet our quality standards, we will replace them free of charge. Alright, so that's kind of an example of our large paperbacks. If you order these, you'll get them bagged, a 20-pack, generally just a mix. They're in great condition. These are the toddlers. They're a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to read. Great for ages 3 to 5. These are great for ages 5 to all the way up to probably 8, I'd say. Hope this helps.